Right, so I'm going to try and speak up a bit because last time I did some talking into this microphone, it was very quiet. So I'm just going to speak straight into the mic. Um, so I've had to take the boat out of the water, which was a real nuisance. But anyway, that's the end of the season, so I won't be doing any diving until next year. So what I'm going to do is I really want to get on with this new boat now. So the options are this one, which is a 650 mil pressure hull, and that's the boundary fill there. So this is, I've got actually had a price for this, which is quite reasonable. Um, the one I really want to do is this one. Um, I'm not quite sure about the tank arrangement yet, but the trouble with this is there's quite a lot to this, so this is going to be quite expensive to get fabricated. So I might just do this smaller one in the meantime, just because it's a lot more, it's a lot cheaper. The other thing that I've thought of doing, uh, this is a 700 mil pressure hull, and I was just doing a simulation on this and it's failed, so I've got a meshing error there, so I'm gonna have to sort that out. But this is 700 mil, um, no stiffness, 10 mil thick, um, 2 meters, and that this might be a good compromise. But the other thing I thought of doing was making something like this that make mean, so I could get into the water easier. I thought, a really low down uh, kind of dolly thing that I could push into the water on poles. This wouldn't be too difficult to make. It's a bit of a lump, but it wouldn't be too bad. Um, and with the big fat tractor wheels, it would get into the water, and across the sand quite easily. That's always a problem, and it'd be quite low down. So that might be an option to make something like that um, over the winter. There's loads of old knackered tractors around, and then I started kind of getting a bit over the top, and I thought, well, why not put a drive belt and an engine on it, and then you could drive it in, which is a kind of a good idea, but then it would just end up a massive, huge thing, and I'd not be able to get it on the road, and so that's just going a bit pie in the sky, really. But just one old tractor, take the back wheels off, and then use the front wheels of the tractor here at the back, so I'd still get the benefit of the large wheels to get across the sand. But I only need one tractor, so that is it's another option. But what I want to do really is get one of these ordered, and I want to get it ordered it within the next couple of weeks now, because I'm getting fed up with just doing CAD design. I need to get on with it. So I'm feeling that this is going to be the one, or something very similar like this for now. And then uh, once the price of steel comes back to be a bit more reasonable, then I'm going to get on with this one.